Hey, Chris Battle here, and wanted to do an unboxing of my new LARQ PureVis water bottle. That might be a little confusing if you follow my channel, as you know, I was a Kickstarter backer and actually already have two of the bottles, one in their Obsidian, which is a black, and then one in their Mojave Dune for my wife, which she doesn't really use. But if you'll see here, this is my current PureVis bottle, and that's why I needed to get a replacement. Totally my fault. I made the mistake of leaving my current bottle on the TV tray I was using and walked out of the room for like 30 seconds. And my 1-year-old son completely knocked it over. And I came back to this big crack. I was able to find all the sharper pieces, thankfully. So, you know, sucks. But I will say one cool thing about that is the LARQ customer support team was very helpful and were able to replace that for me after just a few emails. So, and I got lucky. The black had came back in stock. Otherwise, they were going to have to replace that with I forget what the actual color is called. I think it's called the pure white. And I really didn't want that. So yeah, first let me raise this up a little. 1 second. Raise the height on this. Sorry, we're going to go pretty wide here. All right. All right, hopefully you can see that better. But as you see here, this is the same kind of packaging my original Kickstarter backed water bottle came in. I was just too anxious to actually get into it, so didn't actually do a real unboxing. So this works out. As you can see, I went with 34-ounce model, so and shows you a couple things. This is I think this is new. Get it on Google Play, and actually, I will be doing an update video sometime soon to go over some of the newest updates, including I'm hearing that there's an Android app now, which is something that was a huge con when I actually did my pros and cons list. And thank you to everyone who viewed that. Better hydration, better you. Get a real appreciation of unlocking your hydration potential there. That's really cool. Let's get started. I believe that just has some paperwork and charger, USB-C. Then we've got the actual bottle. Once again, in this material, I don't know how to describe this material. It's easily rippable, but maybe it's better for the environment. It feels like it might be better for the environment. But yeah, there's the bottle in all its glory. This actually works out really well because I had gotten probably a couple dents in my old bottle just from my son actually had pushed it over a couple of times from like not such a high height before. So a couple of dents there. As I don't know if you can see some denting in the bottom, which wouldn't be a big deal, but I can no longer really close this properly. So welcoming to have a new bottle there, nice and fresh. So yeah, really excited. So you can see they got that clip and go handle. That's one of my favorite features, to be quite honest. As you see here, we got that same little material on the actual filter there. Let's see if we can get that off. Yeah. As you can see, here's the physical filter there. And they have been blowing me up about reminders on actually replacing that filter. So I've been needing to replace it, but wanted to wait until I got the new actual cup. And now that I got the new cup, I can finally get this thing to hopefully be quiet. Yeah, so that's really great. Another thing I had done, if you can see on the bottom here, they asked me for this number down here that I'm covering my finger. that actually completely removed that from the previous bottle. So yeah, you can see there's no cup, there's no number there. So it's something with me where I just can't have stickers on the bottom. So I'll put that somewhere where I can actually find it. And I think it's also able to be found on the bottom of the actual brown box here, right on the side. But I also didn't have the box, so this works out really well. And I'm looking forward to drinking out of a fresh cup. So once again, thanks to the LARQ support team. They're really on it and really were assisting and accommodating and got me a new bottle. So thanks so much. Also, before I cut out and tell you to watch the next video, 99% of you are not subscribed who watch my videos. So if you could subscribe and leave me a comment on how I can improve these videos, please don't hesitate to do so. I appreciate it. Thanks.